Welcome to the Because dashboard, your one-stop hub for creating, managing, and optimizing personalized messaging on your Shopify store. Let's explore the key tabs that will help you take your website personalization to the next level. First, we have the Campaigns tab. This is where you can view all your existing campaigns, along with their current status, whether they're live, paused, or in draft mode. You can easily filter campaigns by location, content type, or status, making it simple to find exactly what you're looking for. From here, you can create new campaigns or edit existing ones. Whether you're setting up a new banner, top bar, or product badge, the Campaigns tab is your starting point for driving personalized customer experiences. Next is the Groups tab, an essential tool for keeping your campaigns organized. The Groups tab allows you to group related campaigns together so you can track their performance and A/B tests in one centralized spot. For example, if you're running a holiday sale, you can group all the related campaigns, like a promotional top bar, collection page badges, and cart level messages, into one group. Groups also save you time with the Clone Group feature. With one click, you can duplicate an entire group, including all campaigns and rules, and use it as a starting point for a new promotion. If you regularly run sales or seasonal campaigns, the Groups tab is your best friend for managing everything efficiently. Now let's look at the A/B testing tab, where you can test your campaigns for maximum impact. At the top of this tab, you'll find your cumulative A/B test results. These results reflect the combined performance data from every A/B test you've run since you first installed the Because app. It's a great way to see the overall impact of your testing efforts. Below that, you'll see a list of all your existing A/B tests, displayed in order of the most recently created. You can easily filter your tests by location, content type, start date, or results to quickly find the information you need. The A/B testing tab gives you actionable insights to continuously optimize your campaigns and drive more sales. Next is the Discover tab, where creativity meets strategy. Here you'll find ideas and inspiration for your next campaign. Whether you're exploring new ways to engage customers or looking for innovative ways to boost conversions, the Discover tab has you covered. Finally, we have the Help tab, your go-to resource for support and guidance. From FAQs and troubleshooting tips to detailed support articles, the Help tab is here to answer your questions and keep you moving forward. You can also reach out to our support team directly if you need additional assistance. And that's a quick overview of the Because dashboard. Whether you're managing campaigns, grouping them for better organization, testing to find what works best, or exploring new ideas, this dashboard is built to help you succeed. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to make the most of Because.